Hi guys, I'm Tara. Today we're going to be making a French dessert called a croquembouche, which roughly translates to something that crunches in your mouth. It's a tower of cream-filled profiteroles that are glued together with caramel. Sounds delicious, right? Let's make it. I'm going to start by making the pastry cream filling, also known as crème pâtissière. Whip the eggs and sugar until they're really light and airy, like so. We're then going to add some flour and cornstarch, which will help thicken and stabilize the pastry cream. Oop. Flour everywhere as usual. And just keep mixing it until it's completely combined. Now pour your milk into a pot over medium heat, add your vanilla, and let the two come to a simmer. So I got this wet cloth, which is going to help me keep the bowl sturdy while I whisk. Shake. Now put your bowl into this ring mold and gradually add your heated milk into the egg mixture, just a little at a time. This helps to slowly bring up the temperature of the eggs without scrambling them. Then once the eggs and milk are combined, it's safe to put everything back in the pot over the heat to continue cooking. Bring it to a boil, which will make sure that you cook the starches and get rid of that chalkiness. Now let it cool. Alright, now let's make some choux pastry. I love this bit. It's amazing how just a few ingredients turn into these marvelous puffs. We're going to add all the butter and bring the milk and butter up to a simmer. Once it's all melted, add all the flour at once and mix vigorously to combine. Continue cooking until it reaches about 70 degrees and you get a skin on the bottom of the pan. All in! Yeah, see? Look at the skin. Now once it's in the mixer, we're going to mix it a little bit to cool it down. It should cool down about 10 degrees. Now you're good to start adding your eggs gradually. I did half and then another half. Then just keep mixing until the dough is completely smooth. You'll know the dough is done by dipping your finger in cold water and dragging it through the mix. It should form a peak on your finger and shouldn't collapse on itself. Pipe golf ball sized blobs, leaving some room for them to grow in between in the oven. So you're going to dip your finger in some water and just tap down gently to flatten, but just damp finger, not too wet. Now they're ready to bake. And here they are, fresh choux from the oven. Let's have a peek inside and check they're hollow. Poke a hole in the bottom of each one. This will allow any steam to escape, so they cool quickly, and it gives you a hole to pipe the filling in the bottom. We're going to make some whipped cream to lighten the pastry cream. Now we have crème diplomate. And finally, add some fresh lemon zest, which will help cut the richness and add a little zing to the filling. Okay, these are some pretty big choux to fill. We're going to fill them up one by one right to the brim and then take them away to chill until we're ready to build with them. Cool. Let's make the delicious glue that holds this all together, caramel. Add all the ingredients to a pot and let them come to a boil. Use a pastry brush dipped in water just around the edges of the pan to prevent any crystallization. Once it's a light golden brown, remove it from the heat immediately. Time to build our tower. This is my makeshift cone, a vase wrapped in parchment paper. Dip each profiterole in the caramel and then place it on the cone until you get to the top. Dip a fork in the remaining caramel and swirl it around the tower to make these golden silk threads. Just pull it gently to wrap around. And here is the croquembouche. Definitely one for the gram. Yeah, there we go.
Oh yeah, half. Yeah.
What do you do?
I'm making a mess.
You like those?
Usually.
Oh my god, sharp.
Yeah, it's super sharp.
Oh, it's about a tear for me. I'll go with this one.
Yum yum. I've got it all over my face.
You got a bit in your beard.
I've got it in my hair.
Well, Eat it. I got my legs.
It's my second time ever.